Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this really cool, perfectly legal, compact knife. This is actually a great knife. I'm loving the fact it's got this little notch on the back here. And this actually has bearings that are built in there, so just a simple push down on this actually will flip this up really easily, and has a nice serrated edge there as well. It's extremely sharp with this design on here. It makes it great for using it if you're out hunting or if you're going to be camping. Having that, it is a sharp knife as well. Obviously you've got this serrated part right there. I mean, it just cuts right through everything, really nice and straight on that. And of course, if you need to dig into something with that pointed end on there, that really lets you get that down in there and cut in there really well as well. This is this 44cc steel on this thing. This is a black, it's almost like a fingerprintless design on there, and I'm loving the fact that it's got this clip that you can easily unlock it here, put it on your belt, and take it with you, because this is not just a knife. You also have this built-in seat belt cutter, they call it. You can use it for a lot of different cutters. It's actually got a little razor that's built into the back side there, so that if you did need to get in and get something sliced off like a seat belt in your car, that can help you get out of there as well. In fact, even have built into the design a glass breaker, which is right here at the end. So if you're needing to get out of a car, you can easily hold on to this. This fits really well in my hand. It actually has a nice point that you can easily hit and break out the glass, because windows are actually harder to break than you think, and especially that tempered glass, if you get trapped, that would be a great way to do that as well. It's also a really nice compact size, but yet can fit someone's hand really well. I'm going to go ahead and open this back up here and just kind of briefly show you here. This is actually, it's like about a 6 3/4 inch full length size, and the blade on this is just a little under 3 inches. So it's a really nice size, but even if I've got large hands, I'm 6'2", have big hands, can really hold on to that in a nice ergonomic grip there that they kind of built into that nice metal handle, allowing the full shaft to be displayed. This would make a great addition for anybody's camping gear, or just keep it for yourself.